pasta with tomatoes. Cream soup. This myself. Why can I not grab a noodle? Did you just knock on the door? You're letting me choke on my noodles. You better stop. Macaroni. Who did that?
Krista, you fell hard.
Sorry, Shawty.
So get some pasta. No, Cammy's boyfriend.
No, you're drinking my compound. Hurry.
Hey guys, we're just sitting on top of that roof. Yeah, I just cussed.
I don't care.
What?
You guys gotta work tomorrow. What's for that?
Sunday. Oh, it's Sunday?
It's Saturday.
Really?
No.
Well, what's the day?
Sunday.
It's
You
Sunday.
guys, I wouldn't.
Cracking the cold beer.
Tennessee.
And we're sitting there and it's all quiet.
And me and Krista
The
literally.
funeral hasn't started, nothing.
And me and Sophie are sitting there and all you hear is
Breaking in. I'm breaking in.
I can't breathe. What? She had a fart again.
She said.
You good?
Sue me. This is so cool.
What is doing?
That sounded wet.
I am like, thank you guys.
Wrong way. Go. Come on, I'm cold.
Restart.
Go.
Restart the
Just
video.
go. I can edit it.
Oh, it's a big video.
Come on. Go.
Shut the fuck up, faggot.
Come on.
What the fuck is that?
Bitch, I can't see. What? What was that? Bitch, I can't fucking see.
12:51. I waited to.
Well, I have an excuse because she kept us up all night. 12:50. Yes, bro, but I didn't care because I was too tired.
Yeah.
That's why she missed a good one.
Mm-hmm.
I wasn't mad at it. Hey. I still slap her because we're tired. Oh my god, I'm really cold.
So cold. Sweet rug.
Do I have a morning face right now?
何？お前はもう死んでいる。
I'm fully fucking woken up. Look at my That's how you know I'm tired, because look at my face. I definitely have a morning face. And my fucking... What is that? Fucking seriously fucking run. This fucking...
Hello, Poops viewers. Cammy here. This is part 1 of some parts because I spent like 3-4 days with Sophie and Krista. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a like and subscribe. Poops out.